Beluga lentils, nutrient-rich marvel and antioxidant power. Lentils are a well-loved legume that is renowned for its abundance of health-related nutrients are available in a range of types and colors. The most intriguing and healthy varieties of lentils is called the beluga. It is named after its similarity to the prized caviar of beluga. Tiny, black lentils aren't just visually appealing, but are also loaded with vital nutrients as well as powerful antioxidants. Beluga lentils, sometimes referred to by the name black lentils, are a type of legumes that originate from Turkey as well as Iran. They've been grown over the centuries, and they have been gaining popularity across the globe. They are renowned because of their tiny dimensions and glossy appearance that resembles caviar black made by the sought-after beluga sturgeon. In terms of nutritional worth, beluga lentils can be considered a potent source of nutrition. A cup of cooked beluga beans contains around 180 calories and offers an abundance of vital nutrients. They're a great source of protein from plants with a serving of around 12 grams of protein per serving. Beluga lentils are an excellent option for vegans, vegetarians, as well as those looking to boost the amount of protein they consume. Beluga lentils also are high in fiber dietary. Fiber is vital to maintain an optimal digestive system as well as aids in maintaining regular stool movements. It assists in regulating the blood sugar level, lower cholesterol levels, and also prevent constipation. It contains around 8 grams of fiber in each serving. Beluga lentils make perfect for an energizing diet. Apart from being an excellent source of fiber and protein, beluga lentils are also rich in vital vitamins and minerals. They're particularly rich in folate, essential to pregnant women since it aids in the growth of the neural tube that is part of the infants. Beluga lentils are also rich in magnesium, iron, as well as zinc. These are essential for a variety of body functions, such as the production of energy and the immune system. One of the biggest advantages of beluga lentils for health is the high content of antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that defend the body from the effects of oxidative stress as well as damage caused by free radicals that are harmful. Beluga lentils are a rich source of antioxidants. These include polyphenols and flavonoids, both of which are linked with a lower risk of developing chronic illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, as well as certain kinds of cancer. The antioxidants in beluga lentils can aid in slowing down the process of aging and enhance the overall health of your skin. They aid in reducing inflammation caused by oxidative stress as well as protect skin from damages caused by environmental elements like pollution as well as ultraviolet radiation. Incorporating beluga lentils into your diet could result in glowing and youthful skin. The inclusion of beluga lentils in your food is simple and adaptable. They possess a thick and nutty taste that goes perfectly with many foods and ingredients. They are great in stews, soups, salads, and other sides dishes. Beluga lentils cook fast, taking between 20 and 25 minutes to boil until they reach an ideal consistency. For beluga lentils to cook, begin by washing the lentils thoroughly in cold water in order to get rid of all dirt and debris. After that, add the lentils into the pot along with water and heat to boiling. Lower the temperature and cook until the lentils become tender, however they retain their shape. Remove any water that has accumulated before adding them to your preferred recipe. Beluga lentils are an amazing source of nutrients as well as a potent antioxidant source. They offer a variety of health benefits and could add value to your balanced eating plan. Due to their levels of protein, fiber, and antioxidants, beluga beans are an excellent choice for those seeking to improve the overall health of their family. Why not try the tiny, black lentils a shot and taste their wonderful flavor and health benefits to you?